Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. We're taking a look at Vcita, a platform designed to help streamline client management and boost business growth. Vcita offers a comprehensive suite of tools, from scheduling and online payments to email marketing and client portals. It's a robust system aimed at simplifying the complexities of running a service-based business, allowing you to focus more on your clients and less on administrative tasks. One of the standout features of Vcita is its intuitive scheduling system. Clients can book appointments online with ease, eliminating the back-and-forth emails and phone calls. This self-service option not only saves you time but also provides a more convenient experience for your clients. The platform also integrates seamlessly with popular calendar applications, ensuring that all your appointments are synchronized and readily accessible. Beyond scheduling, Vcita facilitates online payments, allowing clients to pay for services quickly and securely. This streamlines the invoicing process and helps improve cash flow. The platform supports various payment methods, giving your clients flexibility and ensuring a smoother transaction experience. Vcita also recognizes the importance of client communication. It offers email marketing tools that allow you to stay in touch with your clients, share important updates, and promote your services. This feature helps nurture client relationships and can contribute significantly to client retention. The built-in client portal provides a centralized hub for all communication and document sharing, further enhancing transparency and collaboration. In essence, Vcita aims to be a one-stop shop for client management, offering a centralized platform for scheduling, payments, communication, and more. It's designed to empower businesses to manage their client interactions efficiently and effectively, leading to increased productivity and growth. Whether you're a solopreneur or managing a larger team, Vcita provides the tools to streamline your operations and elevate your client experience. Check out the link in the description to learn more.